Kekse, ke wishche chicken ya go ntho ya go ibodi. Malome fotigile pompi ka kwa ka baka la kgogwe.
Aye, you must be mistaken. Or perhaps go bodile nkotse jago. This is chicken on flick. We don't sell it out here.
Ska tontwela wena, ke ta go betha sefatlogo se ka kgogwe.
Oh, you think I'm scared of you? Show you what I'm made of. Wa bolela papa?
Bona mthakola bana. Ga no tšo feta ka fase ga square root. Gape you are shorter than DJ Cleo's soccer career. O sa le ngwana ga mpisiena. Theletša mo, malome nokwana tšhelete wa kwa. Tsa mo tšhentšha malere a go mpiletše manager. Pleke ebile e thoma go nkga di-pampers.
Yeah, I'm the manager. What's my go feta mona? Ke tene sekolo le malome yago.
Ke romile ke ena mo, Vaganet. Hello, malome.
Hello, se ka se stupid seo.
A sho yena.
Ya wena soli. Wena o di ba mokamedi wa di stupid.
Ekwa, I don't o ska nkgafela. You need to watch your words.
Ke fetogile landline ka mo toilet ka baka lago. Ai ke machile loje. Ga no ebe go check castor oil na.
You need to watch your words. Chicken on flick is not a cartoon company.
Go siwa ta bon.
Chicken ya ka ina bothata boda. Ta mo siwa.
Wena DJ Cleo ta bantša eskeleni 10,000. O ntse o le stupid.
Hey, don't ska thoga bona. O ska thoga bona. Mona, umfone na we ka toilet.
Ke busy ke flash the rubbish out of my system.
Hey, what's going on here? Papa, dintshang mo.
Scottan. Go pabolokwe ke bo papago. Gape ke dampi ene wena o nkuti. Dintsha. Lefatshe le a tšhoša straight. Ke bo mamlambo le bo mashudu. Ka mo ke Scottan le bo papage ba tokološi.
Mosha. Wena tshwanetse ba go install toilet mo molomo because go tswa matšhila fela.
Yeah, ke mo tseba so papa. Le second manager resignile because of him.
Hai, wa tseba keng? A ke le enjoy fandiwan. I haven't seen anything this disturbing since Penny's hairstyle. E re ke tšhele one entle.
Ya tsamaya man. O botse malome yago a ke motšhabe.
Ya le ena a go tšhabe.
Hey, shut up! You are not going to turn my courtroom into a jumping castle. If you want a jumping castle, try the parliament. I must recognize you first. And none of you looks familiar right now.
Hey, bona Rix. Don't step on yourself.
Yeah, Your Honor, with all due respect, let's get to repapel.
Wa bona Your Honor. Batho ba felela ka mothogo.
Yelen, le nyaka go topa sepo go te.
Your Honor, Nukumashaba is guilty.
Chaban.
No man. How do you know he's guilty?
I can feel it in my stomach. Wano sereketala man.
Your Honor, go to the table mountain jela. Wa bona go kampa 1 minute le sa gata marogo se.
A ke re wa go Your Honor. Rapi ya fela ka kwa gae ka rena re phela re betho.
Hey, why do they beat you?
Because I have style.
Motogolo, I ceased to be the one to tell you this, but due to an unfortunate and an entirely unforeseeable sequence of circumstantial events that fortunately have nothing whatsoever to do with me, Maole Papa Obadile is stupid.
What?
Yo.
You guys just want to be us, vele.
We would rather spend the night in Oscar Pistorius' bathroom than be you, my man.
Objection! Override terms and conditions on the box.
Terms and conditions? Yakina na kwa bala the terms and conditions kana kwa uja.
You see, Ojelwe, this box clearly states, eat at your own risk. Chicken on flick, PTY Ltd will not be liable for any intestinal damages.
Yeah, Wareresh. It's right here. Baba mashaba banena kwa gate.
Lena, kabotse o mang wena?
He's our lawyer.
Hey, king in Treban. Where's the chicken?
My man, I made the things that it cannot make the chicken to be done.
Who the hell are you?
He's our lawyer.